Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato egg salad. First, select about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold or red potatoes for their creamy texture. Wash them thoroughly, then boil them in generously salted water until they are perfectly fork tender, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain the potatoes and let them cool completely before dicing them into uniform 1/2 inch pieces. This cooling step is crucial for the salad's final consistency. Next, prepare your eggs. Hard-boil 6 large eggs, then cool them in an ice bath for easy peeling. Once peeled, chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. For the dressing, combine 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery for crunch and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill for a bright, herbaceous flavor. This creates a rich and balanced base. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently fold the cooled, diced potatoes and the chopped hard-boiled eggs into your creamy dressing. Be careful not to mash the potatoes too much. We want distinct pieces. Season the salad with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust the seasoning to ensure it's perfectly balanced for your palate. Finally, for the best flavor, cover your potato egg salad and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with a light sprinkle of paprika and a few sprigs of fresh dill for a lovely presentation. Any leftover salad can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it a perfect make-ahead dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.